Thank you very much. Very happy to introduce DeepHog. We are a next generation AI solution for visual quality control. So look at products on a production line. This is bottles, but we do mainly electronic boards or mechanical parts, automotive parts. And you have a camera, and we are a software solution that receives pictures, and in 15 milliseconds we will tell whether the product is compliant or not from a visual quality perspective. The key point here is that we are 100% edge. So we train the AI on the edge in 30 minutes only. With other AI, it takes 3 weeks to 2 months. We train the AI with OK products, pictures, about 50 of them. And then we send a verdict in 15 milliseconds whether the product is acceptable or not. Type of product can be discrete products, as I said, electronic boards, mechanical parts. It could be continuous, like textile or metal parts. It could be bulk, like food, like fruits. And it can be also packaging for food. We learn from OK products, so we have a very small data set. So it means we can run on the edge. We don't need to run on the cloud. And because we're not in the cloud, then there is no critical data being sent outside of the manufacturing premise. So it can be any type of camera. It could be in a visual spectrum, it can be infrared, it can be X-ray, it can be macroscopic, and we don't provide it, and we work with any type of camera. It has to fit what you want to test. We have it available for paid pilots with industrial manufacturers in Europe and North America, and the product will be launched by end of March. And it will be available for commercial production end of March. And we are based in Brittany, and thank you very much.